Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to block YouTube ads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Play Store application, tap on this. After that, search here ad block. Install these apps. Open these apps. Next, tap on continue. You can see here Facebook, YouTube, sleep, play game, Twitter. Tap on YouTube. Can search here. Open this. You can see that no ads show. Now go back. Go to your YouTube. Tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on setting. Scroll down little bit. Now go back to your home screen. Go to your ad blocker. Next, tap on your profile. After that, tap on setting. You can see that history and privacy. Tap on purchase history. Next, tap on manage all activity.